If you are still spending literal hours snipping and exporting clips by hand, I need you to stop what you are doing right now. Seriously, take a quick break from your editing software, jump onto Google, and search for the name Vizard. This incredible tool actually saves me an unbelievable amount of time every single week. Let me walk you through exactly why I made the switch and how fundamentally it has changed my entire post-production workflow. You know that sinking feeling when you finally finish a very long 45-minute tutorial or a deep interview? Then you immediately stare at that timeline thinking, oh, now I have to create shorts, reels, TikToks, and a bunch of promo snippets. That sheer mental load required to spin off all that content is honestly brutal for any creator. That precise moment is exactly where the real magic of Vizard steps in to save the day. It functions like a highly intelligent assistant that actually reads your entire long video from start to finish for you. The AI then expertly hunts down the absolute spice, those incredibly quotable lines, and those genuine aha moments. It finds the laugh out loud beats and immediately turns them into ready-to-post clips, perfectly formatted for every different platform. This means no more endless, tedious scrubbing back and forth through hours of footage, and no more frustrating guessing games. What you get are clips that are fundamentally built to actually work right out of the box every single time. Vizard is specifically engineered for creators who absolutely refuse to waste an entire day just on post-production work. It doesn't matter if you are filming in-depth teaching videos, detailed product demos, crucial interviews, or even full live streams. You can record content using absolutely whatever tool you prefer, and then just let Vizard handle the incredibly heavy lifting for you. But what truly sets this apart from a run-of-the-mill basic video editor is its revolutionary auto-editing viral clips function. The AI intelligently scans the entirety of your file and then scores moments based on their true engagement potential for social media. It then immediately spits out perfectly bite-sized clips that are actually optimized for those notoriously short mobile attention spans. It handles all the trimming, the cropping, the on-screen captions, and even suggests the absolute best aspect ratio for you. This means perfect portrait for Reels, nice square for Instagram, and those killer landscape teasers for your main YouTube channel. You literally never have to think about those specific formatting details ever again, which is a huge win. And of course, you always retain the power to tweak those styles and edit any captions if you absolutely need to. But the core point is that it gets you a solid 80 to 90% of the way there, completely automatically. That initial phase used to take me hours upon agonizing hours every single week without fail. I literally used to spend over 2 full hours just sitting there, methodically exporting and reformatting clips from a single tutorial. Now I can pull 5 completely polished and ready-to-go clips in under 15 minutes flat, which is insane efficiency. The AI does the heavy lifting of finding the gold, so I can finally focus on actual storytelling and my overall posting strategy. I no longer have to worry about remembering where the specific timeline marker was 12 minutes deep into the video. Another absolutely massive feature that I love is the incredibly convenient auto-schedule function for true consistency. Do you want to be consistent but absolutely despise the daily grind of manual scheduling across platforms? You simply set your preferred posting cadence, maybe 2 shorts per week and 3 reels per week, for example. Vizard will not only create those perfect clips, but can also actively schedule them to post based precisely on the settings you configured. This means you never have to babysit the actual upload process across 3 or 4 separate apps anymore, which is freedom. It's genuinely like handing your entire social media posting calendar over to someone who deeply understands what actually performs well. And that perfectly leads into the incredible content calendar feature that keeps everything centralized in one spot. Here, you can visually see every single generated clip, manually rearrange specific posting dates, or update captions instantly. You also have the ability to batch approve all the week's content in a single, unified, easy-to-read view. No more frustrating hopping between all your different platforms or meticulously managing separate external spreadsheets anymore. Everything you need lives right there in one cohesive place, so you can plan major campaigns or quickly swap a clip to an email list promotion. The entire automated workflow is elegantly simple. You record, then you upload. Let Vizard quickly scan everything, and then you review and finally publish. For anyone who genuinely values speed, efficiency, and unwavering consistency, this tool combination is an absolute game changer. Now I have to give you full disclosure. Yes, there are other tools available in the market right now. Some of those competitors are great at the initial recording process. Others excel at very basic editing tasks. And a few have 1 or 2 neat singular features that might catch your eye initially. However, a lot of those alternatives either charge an absolute fortune or demand a very steep time-consuming learning curve. Worse yet, many still force you to do the tiring manual work of clipping things and then separately handling all the scheduling. I personally tried a bunch of them out to see what else was available on the landscape. One tool had a beautiful, sleek studio interface, but completely lacked any integrated scheduling capability whatsoever. Another one spat out clips, but those clips constantly needed tons of manual retiming and painful caption fixes. A third option I looked at was perfectly fine for editing, but its pricing structure was clearly designed only for large enterprise teams. With Vizard, the differences immediately become incredibly obvious when you compare the features side by side. It is genuinely affordable for the everyday creator. It automates the clip discovery process intelligently, and it plugs directly into your existing posting schedule. Ultimately, you get significantly less workflow friction and so much more actual published content getting out there. Let me quickly show you exactly how this powerful process actually works in a real-life scenario right now. I recorded a full 50-minute tutorial last week that included my screen share and picture-in-picture of my face, the whole setup. After I uploaded that complete single file to Vizard, I simply clicked the auto edit button and walked away for a moment. I watched as it immediately produced a whole batch of clips. Some were quick highlights, others were short lesson snippets. It even generated 2 very punchy short teasers that I knew would work perfectly as dedicated YouTube shorts. Every single clip it created already had its own perfectly placed captions and the absolutely correct aspect ratio applied. It even provided suggested thumbnail frames based on the most visually engaging parts of the new short clip. If I wanted to, I could easily change the caption text, slightly tweak the crop, or apply my specific brand style in under a minute. There is also a powerful built-in brand kit where you can drop in your logo, choose your colors, and select your preferred caption font. Vizard automatically applies that consistent branding across every single generated clip without you lifting a finger. That brand application alone saves me an enormous amount of time if maintaining consistent visual identity is a priority for you. Now, for the creators who genuinely like to tinker, you absolutely can open the full editor for manual adjustments. You can add custom overlays, fine-tune the cut placement, or even adjust music fades if you desire more granular input. But honestly, for the vast majority of the required clips, the initial auto edits it generates are surprisingly spot on for first use. One major question creators always have for any video tool is about the resulting caption quality. Vizard's speech-to-text engine is remarkably solid, handling punctuation and even speaker labels quite well automatically. Plus, you have the flexibility to export those precise subtitle files externally or burn the captions directly into the final video. That flexibility is extremely important because viewers often watch videos with the sound completely muted more than you might realize. Another truly massive time saver in this entire ecosystem is the genius cross-platform export capability. Do you need versions for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, a dedicated TikTok, and maybe a trimmed email teaser? Vizard generates every single one of those necessary formats for you automatically, all at once. This eliminates the need for multiple exports or tedious resizing inside a separate, dedicated application. And yes, if you plan for the future, the scheduling tools allow you to queue up content across all those platforms well in advance. That is precisely how I managed to repurpose one single full tutorial into an entire week's worth of social content, plus an email blurb without feeling utterly burned out. The user interface itself is designed to be incredibly clean, responsive, and genuinely fast to navigate. You can easily preview your camera feed, toggle different audio inputs, or switch camera angles if you used multiple sources. Everything you would rightly expect from a modern creator studio environment is thoughtfully included in the platform. The screen share feature records both your actual demonstration content and your face simultaneously, keeping that human connection present. There is even a handy basic teleprompter available if you prefer to script out certain critical parts of your video presentation. When you are actively recording, you can select dynamic layouts like picture-in-picture or side-by-side arrangements effortlessly. You can add simple on-screen text callouts or even basic sound effects right in the moment during a live session recording. All those recording time tools are useful, but honestly, the place where Vizard truly shines is the post-production automation it offers. Instead of laboring over the editing timeline for hours, you simply hit record, upload, and the AI surfaces the absolute best content for you. You don't need to rely on extra third-party applications, and you certainly don't need to be an advanced editing nerd to create professional clips. One important thing to fully call out is that you are absolutely never helpless or locked into the AI's initial suggestions. The AI expertly builds a solid creative skeleton, and then you swoop in and put the unique personality and final polish on it. That perfect balance ensures the creative ownership remains exactly where it should be, while the tool eliminates all the truly boring, repetitive parts. If you're a creator, a coach, an educator, or a small business owner juggling all these different tasks, short-form video is genuinely where all the current attention is focused. But the process of making those vital short-form clips from scratch is precisely how many talented people end up burning out quickly. Vizard fundamentally flips that entire frustrating script. You record once, Vizard finds the shareable highlights, and you post everywhere with virtually no fuss. For me personally, this became the specific tool that finally made me feel excited and able to post consistently again. It dramatically reduced the friction in my process, saved me countless hours, and gently nudged me to experiment more because it wasn't a miserable slog. Here is a real concrete example. I uploaded one long tutorial and walked away with ready clips for shorts, reels, TikTok, and 2 teasers for my private mailing list, all from that single session. I scheduled them out immediately, made minor caption adjustments to fit each platform's vibe, and then my entire week's content marketing was effectively handled. If you are curious, you should definitely head over to Vizard and take some time to poke around the main dashboard environment. There is a completely free trial period available, so you can truly test how the auto-editing and scheduling features fit into your existing workflow. There are no flashy gimmicks involved, just a very practical, no-strings-attached free test drive of the core features. If you find that it solves a major pain point for you, you can then upgrade to a plan that matches your specific post-volume needs. Trust me when I tell you this. Once you stop fighting with timelines and start letting the AI find those highlights, you will naturally post more content and stress significantly less. The formula is simple. Significantly more high-quality content produced with drastically less busy work and administrative effort. That is the entire vibe of this tool. If this description sounds like the exact kind of workflow time saver you have been desperately needing, you should absolutely give Vizard a serious spin. Please hit that like button if you picked up any useful tips from this walkthrough, and definitely subscribe for more creator workflows and tools that genuinely make your life easier. Thank you very much for watching or for reading this entire breakdown, and now please get back to making great stuff, not just endlessly editing it.